Finally. Yeah.
Warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations or other emergencies, specially these receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this program and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. The variability becomes more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for warnings, selected watches, and other environmental emergencies affecting the following North Carolina counties: Alamance, Alexander, Allegheny, Anson, Bertie, Cabarrus, Caswell, Chatham, Davidson, Davie, Durham, Edgecombe, Forsyth, Franklin, Granville, Greene, Guilford, Halifax, Harnett, Hoke, Iredell, Johnson, Lee, Martin, Montgomery, Moore, Nash, Northampton, Orange, Person, Pitt, Randolph, Richmond, Rockingham, Milan, Scotland, Stanley, Stokes, Surrey, Union, Vance, Wake, Warren, Wayne, Wilkes, Wilson, and Yadkin. The warning alarm will also be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield and Marlborough, and the following counties in Virginia: Brunswick, Carroll, Grayson, Henry, Mecklenburg, Patrick, and Pittsylvania. This includes the independent cities of Galax, Martinsville, and Danville. Repeating, the National Weather Service has just activated the public warning alarm tone in the test of the Weather Radio's warning alarm system. The forecast for the mountains, including Sparta. For rest of today, sunny, breezy with highs in the upper 30s. Northwest winds 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour. For tonight, clear. Lows in the mid-20s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. For Thursday, sunny. Highs in the mid-40s. Light and variable winds. For Thursday night, mostly clear. Near steady temperature in the mid-30s. Winds around 10 miles an hour. For Friday. Southwest in the afternoon. Friday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Not as cool. Near steady temperature in the mid-40s.